banomona ngoba uguluvu uyanona. Yebo Cleveland sazogcwala ngale style zamampela esingakopwanga. Yithi sikhuphula amanamba yabafana thatha bonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatlego Ntariana Mula aka almost the Soweto Kafele Motseba aka Master Cool himself. Welcome to Ikasi Livukile bafethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Siketo bafethu, and make sure you click on the membership button to become a member and get exclusive content behind the scene. You know, every day, every hour, every minute, every second. Mphethu Noxman SA, who's a producer, a sound engineer, and a beat maker of China bafethu, Black China Music, who's a producer, a sound engineer, and a DJ. Mamzo hamba nabani? Or as mentioned. Okay. But then Mamzo hamba ne-family yakhe. That shows support and that shows growth. Kumnandi kuba nabantwana abakanje abantu abasupporta umzali. La umzali khona abantwana babe khona. La abantwana babe khona umzali abe khona. Aziye kala. So Mamzo bengicela ba-introduce ukuthi umama ubani ngegama.
Mina ne. Okay, igama lami uMam Regina Nawa, ngihlala eAlbertine. I'm a social activist. I'm too many things, but for today I'm a social activist.
Ne. So bafethu, you know how we do it for the culture. Bengicela shaya izandla for the umama ukuthi ufikile. So bafethu topic yafanahle ne njengoba she's a social activist. Bafethu kumele understand it to the person who's watching currently. Umuntu ongasebenzi, umuntu one CV, umuntu onama qualifications but akakwazi ukuthola umsebenzi. This is the right hour to chill at home and watch what's happening. Yabo, for me it's quite an honor ukuhlangana nomama because umama mina ngambona endabeni. Ngambona endabeni abeka ubaba bengithanda iphathi yakhe from kwabafileyo. Ubaba uDon Mlangeni. Hayi. Baba wasenze Soweto, like wasichange mindset yakho via character yakho, wasibonisa ukuthi udaki yini and udaki uphelela kuphi. But Mamzo ukuthi ngihlangane nawe ngithi shwele.
May his soul rest in peace.
May RIP. Siyabonga baba. Kodwa ke asibe sifakele emandleni. Mamzo wami.
Yes.
Njengoba besikhuluma efonini. Ungitshela izinto eziningi ngayeka leyo inkinto bekumele ngiyenze namhlanje. Ngathi this is a matter and a state to address and to attend. You understand?
Yes.
So bengicela utshela abantwana ekhaya ukuthi uzeleni so we can indulge on the topic. Yeah.
Okay. Should I focus on you or?
Yeah, the camera.
The camera. Okay. Like I said, Kamala Regina Nawane. I'm a social and civil activist. Ne? It depends what the issue evelayo fanele itekile. So now I've been concerned about the high unemployment rate in the country as a whole. Ne? And particularly there are programs or there are means that government way to our trial to lessen the rate of unemployment. But akwenzeki iyakhula every year ama-statistics sizasitshela ukuthi first quarter ka 2025 like now about 8 million South Africans are unemployed. 8 million ne first quarter ka 2025, 30 years after democracy. It's really concerning. Abantwana bethu siyababona basebenzi barizotela kuma drugs, abanye baya esikolweni banama qualifications but abawuthola umsebenzi. You know, abanye bazikherezela banama business but ama business wabo awandlondlobali. It's really concerning. So they get frustrated and they are able bodies eziningi capable ukuthi zingasebenza but umsebenzi awutholakala even though bazicreatela akwenzeki. So one had to ask herself, but what is it that can be done? You know, what is it that is happening in the country that can assist to lessen this unemployment rate, particularly focus in Ninabangan. Nabadala, of course, but Ninabangan, because you are the leaders of tomorrow. You are future leaders that the countries are preparing, but if nizohlala ningasebenzi bathumbe inkosi sizolidwa bobani or thines badala siyoshiya country bobani. So as I was thinking through, and then I heard ukuthi country yethu inikezwe i-presidency ye-G20 summit.
Okay.
The G20 summit kusho ukuthi i-president yethu yiyo echairayo for the whole year. I don't know if you know what is a G20 summit. A G20 summit it's a combination of about 19 countries and then 20 yenziwa ama-organization ayi-2, ne? It's rich and poor countries.
Okay.
And then these two other entities, as if my 20 entities, the AU and the European Union. OAU and the European Union. So it makes up to 20. Ne? That's why about G20.
G20.
So the reason behind the formation of this G20 is for rich and poor countries to work together, particularly with issues of economy and finances, global finances. So every year, each country, a member, gets the opportunity to preside for a year. South Africa, how do we tackle in the economy? How do we boost each other as countries? How the developed can assist the underdeveloped countries? So bazalai South Africa, ne? So Italy yayenza ngama conference like njengoba sithi baphe a year. So I don't know whether they meet monthly or kuphi, but there are conferences ezibanjwayo as a build up towards the actual conference ezoba ngoNovember nge-23. 22 and 23, I'm quite not sure the exact date, but November, bazabe bala wonke lawo country ayi-19, and these two entities, big entities, OAU ne EU. And on top of that, a country to invite amanye country as an extension. But join the G20. So you can imagine how many people will be flocking into our country globally. So how many job opportunities is Zovela Lapo? Now I started to ask myself, no man, can't we use this as another form yokuthi incedise government wethu ukuthi iyehlise le rate unemployment? But especially youth now, abantu abadala bathu mamndim sithola amatohwana, particularly izoba ngoNovember. Nalabo bama small business bakwazi ukuboosteka nabo. And I said, but who can start it? No, let me just take initiative and stand up ngikwazi ukukhuthaza abantu bakithi, but manje ila eGauteng. So ifocus yam ila eGauteng. Yes, because izohustela la kuphi eJohannesburg. So I just said, let me try to mobilize the unemployed youth and unemployed residents that say how they would, hey, nah,
so when you're talking about like job opportunities, like creating job opportunities as a youth, creating like job opportunities as abanye bathengisa ama-scoppers siyabazi bakhona like then sizokuda fundamental whereby abantwana besikolo i-youth nabayeka isikolo babhema ama-drugs ne hayi ukuthi babhema ama-drugs most of them because bayaphapha bathanda izinto babhema ama-drugs because abanama-responsibilities.
Yes.
So makaphumela ngaphandle, the only option ahlangana nayo uXolani. uXolani into ayaziwe wazi crystal meth. Umntana yikho into angayenza unabo materials afuna umsebenzi endlini bayamchika useless. The only time athola ipeace is when anoXolani. So uzocala uku-adapta lento uXolani ayenzayo.
Yes.
So i-government sometimes ayibona izothi abantwana baseSoweto balezi. Angeke sicale if base lazy ngaba sinayo le podcast.
Yes.
To show ukuthi siyazama.
Yes.
But akunamuntu osithathayo. Yayibona mams. Akunamuntu osithathayo sibeke phambili because behind the camera people basically sekunabantu engibaqashile. Banabantwana. And babonani i-hope ukuthi le podcast izobachangela impilo. So kuyoze kube nini eSouth Africa siloko lesiphila ngehope.
Hey man, it's very sad. But nathi Xolani
Katlego.
Bona
akusiMxolani bafethu. Xolani urongo. Uyenza into ezirongo bafethu siyamazi.
Yes.
Thank you.
Katlego. In as much as sibona ngathi government wethu akawucreate umsebenzi, uyawucreate. Let me tell you, there are programs government wethu ozenzayo since the dawn of democracy to tackle your into zabo unemployment. But le misebenzi le makufanele iye kulabantu ofanele babenefite kuyo ihamba ngamakhona.
Awuzeke.
Ihamba ngamakhona kuqasha abantu esingabazi kuba nokuthi uba ne-G20 summit. Yawuza ngithi for a year. But up to now khona ama-conference aloko ayenzeka. Asazi kuqashwa bobani. Asitshela abanye abantu don't even know what G20 is. So abantu abahleli thina se-excludiwe because asikho politically connected. Asazi ukuthi khona into ebiza i-G20 not because senze siluze nehope yokubukela indaba. You know, because siyazibukela akonto eyenzayo akho breakthrough yokuthi makusebenzeke. So leyo misebenzi iyenzwa somewhere and i-fault yethu Ngingadivert from what I wanted to say into ukuthi sonke sibheke ugovernment. I-fault yethu, what did I want to say, man?
I'm understanding sengamdala ngathatha isikhathi sakho.
Yes. I can't even remember what I wanted to say, man. We're not questioning izinto. Siyahlala and yes, this is what I wanted to say. We blame government and then she criticize the ANC. Now I'm very angry in the ANC, but I cannot sit back and criticize about the ANC as failure or ini. But we have to do something. We have to find means. And to find means ukuthi nawe ube informed as umntwana omncane. As youth a country, you must stay informed. We use these tools, our cell phones, mostly for into wrong and for fun. We like fun, it's a fact. Youth yethu uyayithanda fun. We have to enjoy fun sisasebancane, but at the same time we must be responsible because we are leaders of tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Just more in terms of having fun. I got I couldn't criticize or anything. Mina ngiphuza utshwala number 1 yabona. Number 2 angihambe ebusuku ngijive. Ne, so I feel like thina nathi as a youth siphila indlela opposite. Sicala ngezinto ekumele sigcine ngazo. Uyayibona lesikhathi leso spend etshwaleni, lesikhathi ospend embedeni for ibhabhalazi, isikhathi ongenza something productive for the future yakho. Then masomdala bafethu nizaphuma zamajika senemali. So ucabanga nge-alcohol abuse, that's really a thing. Niyabudodloza.
Sithanda ama-shortcut. Sine mentality dependency. This dependency syndrome must come to an end. That's why we keep on blaming the government. Every day we shift the goalposts, blame me. Instead of you asking yourself, what can I do to improve impilo yami? Yes, I know about asina resources. Kona ama entities are created about NYDA none. This is what I wanted to say. Oh, government, but I did say we are create ama programs, but ama programs akona aswaza pelelapi, ahamba ngama corridor, and then sitina singatholi next.
Yes, man.
And then these people aba controlayo. Fanele siqale sizibuze abobani. Before we can blame political parties, nama leader, I understand good fanele siba blame because they are the people we interact with. They are the people we vote for. They are the people who are representing us nase parliament, ama political parties. Yes, if anything goes wrong in country, fanele si blame bona. But another question that must come into mind that we must address, uguti, who are the people who are processing our application whenever we apply for employment? Particularly the government. Who are the people who are processing our applications? Who are the people who are processing ECV yami or tender? Eyami mang tenderile. Who is the person who's processing it? Because I'm a politician, I'm a political head. Umsebenzi wabakasi administration is to oversee ukuthi implementation yama-policy wabo ye-political party yabo iyayenzeka na. But the people who are processing abobani?
Abobani?
Abo government official nama civil servants. Nabantu abaqashwe government yibo kanye, yibo abacontrolayo. Iyaphi leyo misebenzi? Angaken madoda kunini sithi uRamaphosa ucorrupt, sithi uMusimaimane ucorrupt, sithi but uMalema ucorrupt. Abobani abaprocessor ama documents.
Cela magama.
Ama face because they hide behind political parties, party leaders.
True.
That must come to an end. Our focus in unemployed youth and unemployed residents should now be to the people who process our applications. Lama Z83 esiapply ngawo esingatholi nama answer. Let the focus be there.
Mamzu,
it's about time. No, it's about time, Papa.
Ukholele kuphi?
Yeah.
Ukholele kuphi?
Orlando.
Khohlwa. Yeah. Because here's the into show. See, we are looking at the bigger ball, but there's a smaller hole there that you are not focusing on.
And bazenzela.
Akekho oyiwani omaziyo simhlafaze manje.
Akekho noyiwani. Suka le phezulu bro DG production man bona lapho kuyanuka. Let me tell you the honest truth. I'm not saying politicians are not corrupt. Because corruption, there's a corruptor and a corruptee. akekho umuntu ongayenza corruption ayi-1
Yeah.
bayi-2 akhona ama-officials ama-politicians who are also corrupt akhona, it's not a lie.
Yeah, it's not a lie.
But baya instructing who? Those who process ama-documents wethu.
Yes.
Those are the people we must focus on with this campaigning izanayo ebizwa i-G20alizing impi yethu ikuma-government officials and those who are hired to process or abasebenza kuma-department laba aba-permanent ilapho-ke indaba.
Ayi gasi elivukile
Yes.
Yes mama zomakhuluma kanje wasepingeni I used to have episodes no bra ayikhumalo ne ungitshela into ebuhlungu kabi ukuthi lapha eParliament bana lento le ukuthi mina ukuze ngifike la ngikhona ngidliwe so wena ngeke uvele ungene nje nawe emele sokudle kuze ungene.
You see igcwele baba igcwele but now thina focus yethu angithi unemployment nokuthi lama programs ka government because akhona ayaphuma, it's a fact ayaphuma ama programs and there's this ngaphandle kwalama events labo G20 abo August 8 Women's Day or yiwo lawo ma events la fanele create umsebenzi because angithi sukubiza abantu abaningi kuba yi conference fanele uqashe lapho.
Yeah.
Ngaphandle kalawo now masikhuluma local kubo masipala imasipala eclose nathi which is local government ngibonga ukuthi lento yenzeka siya kuma local elections next year so ifocus yethu ikubo masipala so youth yethu I don't even think ukuthi they are aware ukuthi abo masipala basebenza nge-framework ebizwa i-medium term revenue and expenditure framework.
Okay.
It's a 3-year plan kamasipala.
Okay.
Le umasipala wase, let me say umasipala wase Joburg ozothi okay within these 3 years what is it that we can do kumasipala wethu wase Joburg? Infrastructure yethu imoshakele ama potholes endleleni fanele siyakhe izindlu ama robot awasebenzi, that is infrastructure and then kuphuma ama billions ashoyo ukuthi for these 3 years fanele sikwazi ukuthi silungise itrati siyakhe izindlu kuphi sifake electricity kuma informal settlements and all those things. That is part of job creation for youth nabantu abangasebenzi.
Oh.
Every year umasipala ngeke function without that framework. Ayaphi lawo ma jobs? Ayaphi ngoba i-unemployment iyakhuphuka.
Yes, ukhuluma iqiniso. Ayaphi kunama robot abawafakayo ngiboni nomntwana wani waseKasilanga.
Enimaziyo but nihlala la.
Nihlala la. Mara lamathenda ngathi most awina abantu baseLimpopo.
I don't know ke but rotate kubo lama officials nama corrupt politicians rotate baze bahlabe neinkomo mabathola ama position yobonga boma ancestor wabo because they know ukuthi it's time for them to eat. This is how they're going to get rich. This must come to an end. It's about time Nanja.
Yes.
You stand up because nobody will do this for you. I have started a campaign. It's a campaign. I don't care about the fame. It's not about me. Instead, I'm challenging myself. But what am I doing for my country? I have decided to start this initiative. Ngibiza G20 because ngitrigger yile G20 summit ekuzoza numbers and numbers zama countries labo country kuzogcwala. International countries ziyeza la international companies nazo zizabe zikhona abo World Trade Organization abo World Bank nabo bazabe bala. So ngithikalile ukuthi how many job opportunities ezizophuma la ziningi kabi ama traffic cop azenza ukuthi ku flow lona I traffic ama interpreter because kuza bonke abantu bomhlaba jikelele bayeza la kufanele kube nama interpreters because abanye bayazi English kufanele bakwazi ukuqashwa hospitality fanele kwazi ama hotel nani baningi abantu fanele baqashwe so fanele lawo ma job ahambe because ahambe emva kwethu ngoba thina sipo political connected sahlala siloko salele emuva sihlangana nabo ucolane asihlale sirizotele ku alcohol nento zotshwala. Now we need to stand up guys, we need to stand up. Ngay 16 zika June mina ngicela ukuthi sike si change course yoku celebrate i-16 June.
Yes, please
let's change it. Akasithatha utshwala nefan or nokubraya sike sikubeke kanjani. You've got nothing to lose.
Yes.
Laba ama politicians from different political parties again just for this 16 it's up to you, I'm not forcing you but ngicela just lay 16 days because sifuna umsebenzi sike si sacrifice kancane ukuthi siyeke siyogcwalisa i-stadium zama political party for political stand nemanage ukuthi hey EFF igcwalisile, hey ANC igcwalisile, hey MK igcwalisile, hey DA igcwalisile. Ake simeni akawuhambi uyogcwalisa esakhi space sokuthi ube employed. Uthatha iCV yakho uyikhiphe phansi kombhede or phezu kwe-old drop. I think irusile la ikhona. And most of you are educated. Ngicela niwakhiphe nisijoine eJubek Park. I'm not going to benefit anything. If the only thing I benefit is to see many of you nigcwele lapha eJubek Park ngeyi-16 zika June nidemanda ningayoncenga because it's a democratic right. Nidemanda ukuthi faneke niwuthole umsebenzi through the hosting ye-G20 and this 3-year term medium term framework, to shorten it up, medium term framework. Faneke ni benefit nakuyo because kuyolungisa indlela kuyofaka i-electricity kulungisa ama-light kwakho izindlu from yona. You must also demand ukuthi ni-employe from that. Hey, 16 June, you can spend about 3 to 4 hours at Jubek Park. You've got nothing to lose. After that, you have your drive.
Bafethu mama uzokhulumela ngathi nizwile nge-16 saka June siyavasa eJubek Park. Iphiya ungayiphuzi nge-15 because uzobe nge-16. Nge-15 uzobe ngebhabhalazo. Cela uzofresh bafethu sizolwela i-country because ungacabanga ukuthi ulwela wena kanti ulwela nomntana wakho lolandela because if thina fucked up laba balandela thina bazoba njani and laba balandela bona bayoba njani. So as umuntu omdala mamzo, what more solutions can you bring to the youth ukuthi ubahluza ingcondo because khona abanye bazothi so much thina bacabanga ukuthi yomacha by the way.
Good Katlego. It's not a march. Kunini simacha. Kunini sitoitoya. Kunini sitoitoya size chisa ama public entities wethu. We can't afford to do that. Le country yethu nibancane iyenzelwe nina all these changes ezizene democracy, all these public entities eziyenze ugovernment wethu uzenzele nina bayoshiyana badala labantu ababusa le country. So we cannot afford to always keep amatayara siyashisa and then what? Ake sichenjeni kancane. Ake sisukumeni sizimele. Nathi si demanded to benefit out of our fruits of democracy. And the first benefit ukuthi sibe employed, sizokwazi ukuba ne-responsibility ukuthi njengoba futhi siya kuma-elections next year, sikwazi we-local election ikwazi ukufunctiona if sibhadala ama-services wethu. But how can we pay ama-services if abasiqashi? So sicela ukuqashwa sizokwazi ukuzibhadalela. So ngicela nisukumeni for impilo yenu gents. Ifana ipheli. Mina that's an advice I can give you. Ifana ipheli and stay informed. Use this cell phone tool effectively to inform yourself so that you can learn ukuthi or ubona amaluphulo ukuthi what is it that I can do for my country or contribute. Angeke ngizohlala ngiphuza or ngihlala ngicomplain or ngihlala ngithuka ama-political parties. Now I've got a role to play to build this country.
Thank you Mamzo. As bafethu umamzo mayikhuluma kale thingishaya bed, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below ukuthi Soweto sikhethu bafethu. Make sure you click on a membership button to become a member and get exclusive content. Yabona mangiletha abantu abafana nomamzo kusho khona ukuthi ikasi livukile.
Livuke manje.
Kasi livukile. So mamzo when you jump back to politics, yazi thina masibhawumile kazi. Waqala wathi politics.
I know.
Mawuzozovakasha nalempintsha yakho uthi awuzana lempintsha yakho kulimi politics ezosikhenya. Because ugogo wami beka politika, umama wami ya politika, nami ngipolitika, nomntana wami kuyoze kube nini. So ama solution esingawabeka manje singathini futhi mina isitoli sibazama.
Let me tell you Katlego, kwenze ngamabomu ukuthi most people especially intsha yethu ukuthi ibe ignorant or ingafuni ukungena kunto zepolitiki. It's on purpose because once sanvusa nizovuka nisukume like what we're trying to do. So si few, si corrupt, sifuna ukudla. So asinabavusi. Yabona? So enye into nathi yi-dependency and then nokuthanda ama-shortcut. Bantwana bami, ipolitiki is part of your life. Whether niyathanda or anithandi, ipolitiki yan-affecta one way or the other. Ngihlala ngitshela abantwana bami nabo mangithi ipolitiki bathi hey mama awume. Iyaku-affecta whether you like it or not. Ngicela uzifamiliarize nayo, especially that you're going to take over in future ube yi-leader in anyway uzoba yi-leader, whether a politician, whether a CEO ye company or anywhere, or kamasipala or masipala manager, you have to understand amapolitiki we-country yakho. Maybe we need to simplify them. And so the interesting ukuthi na youth ikwazi ku-attracteka kuwo.
Yeah. Yabona mina ngihamba nomams of it, mina nge-revolutionary.
Yes.
I stand for the black,
Yes.
and I stand for our rights.
Yes.
Yabona, and I stand for white people also, because they're also human.
And they're part of us.
Let me say I stand for everyone who's doing right to another person. Owenza kabi ayindoda ungangifake enkingeni zakho. So when amams omakhula, the level of job opportunities besikhona or beziless nakhona nina nikhule kanjani? Nikhule nisokola njengathi?
Yes, insokolo beyikhona beyinkulu because bokune discrimination. Yabona? The white people were the ones who were benefiting most. Yabona? And manje besingekho baningi because bokune influx control. So sometimes isinokuthi i-apartheid was better than manje. Insokolo ya manje it's more than i-apartheid. Kanti no, bokunalento ebizwa i-influx control whereby abelungu bebafuna ukumanage abodakhe abancane. So into esiblind asibone ngathi apartheid bokuyi-success, kanti it wasn't. It wasn't. Asinga, yes, masibhekene emuva as i-reference, but we are here and sibaningi. But for the mere fact ukuthi uyi-voter, and then vote, and niyeke lento ukuthi nihlale niloko nithi and vote ngoba lelizwe liyogcina lithathwa abantu abarong. Hey, and kulapha ukuthi kukhona coalition government. Baningi abantu bese ku government liyogcina libuyele ezandleni ezirong. Kufanele nivote. Kodwa abantwana bami, votelani i-political party eku government ezoninika umsebenzi. I-choice yenu. Ezoninika umsebenzi starting with late 16 zika June. And then nale kamasipala medium term framework. If asuthola umsebenzi, discipline them. Simple as that.
Manje masiba discipline asebenza kanjani?
Nababamba kuma local elections. Votelani ozoninika umsebenzi. Onganiki ningamvoteli, kodwa ukuvota nivote. Because if I'm voting, laba bazi meaning ye vote bazophuma babaningi, and then the country zobuyela ezandleni ezirong. Yes. So what I like with this campaign when I got is that if I don't want to refer to Nasisvan, I don't want to kuxabanisa or ngene kunto engazazi. But into esizobamba ngayo ukuthi if si letter lawo ma CV will be using big transparent boxes. Sasibona lama box lawa la ayuza bomama
wamakhekhe so.
Yes. We want those transparent boxes ngamabomu so that they can see the number of or piles and piles ama CVs that was phakathi kulawo ma box. And sifuna government aziyuse njenge data yoku for employment. Is that siyacela ikime kancane just for i-G20 nale medium term framework. Makeze ime kancane akekashwe from la. Just to lessen unemployment.
Yes.
So, ngiyakhuluma bese ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi ngithini. Yes. So, yes, uthi sibabamba kanjani. So, what I'm saying is, ngane so 16 asiyenzi lento for publicity.
Yes.
We mean business. Good government. We mean business ne government. If angeke nistashe after E16 or kule medium term framework njengoba kuzovuselela ijozi sawuhlangana kuma local elections sizahlangana khona sifuna bakhombisa ukuthi sesi wiser than yesterday besicala besingazi lento zabo democracy like ukuthi into zepolitiki sesiyazi ukuthi democracy inika mnike ngokunika ivote unginika umsebenzi
iqiniso
mamzo. Yes.
Yes, Mamzo, mina ngokutshele like from the bottom of my heart, like as umuntu osesowethu, like sikhathele, we are tired of living of hope. Sikhathele sicabanga ukuthi kusasa kuzoba ngcono. Sikhathele ubukela ipolitiki bathi izonenzela ama opportunity still. Awekho la opportunity lezo. Like ngikhathele ukuhlangana nomuntu angicela i2 rand. Like ngikhathele ukuhlangana nomuntu alele estradeni. Like sesikhathele, like sikhathele ukuze umakhelwane nendoda yakhe bayashayana. Like sikhathele nathi ezabantu like bafethu sizweleni sivuleleni ama opportunity fandana abantwana kulabantwana abahlakaniphile kunesiso kazokufunda kahle lapha indaba angeke afunde manje ngithatheni man like Mamzo, like we are so tired of everything
man. Youth lose hope so by yini so by country njani why singafani nabo China ba developer youth yabo why siyofika nini lapho sofika nini lapha. And for as long as nihleli nihamba niyophuza, bazochubeka badlala ama-programs nabantwana babo. You need to stand up with or without Mam Regina. You need to stand up to show ukuthi niya-exista and you are tired ukuphilela hope. You are tired ukuvukela ikota. You are tired ukuvukela inyama enhloko. Ujikeleza nelanga ungazi ukuthi wenzeni or uba nawo lama podcast but ungabenefit nix. It must come to an end.
Yabona ke leyo ke ama podcast engikwatisa kokugcina.
Beka uthi angakanani.
Bona ngakanani. But then akuna newano yasekasi ngathi fandiwe.
You know,
like moms, I feel like South Africa ne like ayisa own ama South Africans. Say own ama outsiders, the funders.
Yes.
Abantu aba own le country abahlali kule country. Because angeke uzokhuphula ivet, yonke into idura bese uhlala la. Uthi abantwana bakho balambe muzweni. Should zathengiswa kudala.
Yeah, there's so much wrong, Xolani, but let our focus be.
Xolani yo.
Oh, bona. Katlego, Xolani, wey. Uyamosha.
Yo.
Wena Katlego asikisi mfana.
Yeah, mama.
And igama lakho means success. Ngakho njalo.
Kuyavuleka.
Yeah. Yes, there's so much wrong country. Ukufuna umsebenzi. It's not that much achievement based on what our forefathers fought for. You know, 16th that June means a lot when it comes to history of the country. And most people who got affected, who were victims, ngalelo langa lelo, didn't fight for this suffering yalabantwana that we born today. They fought ukuthi uKatlego aphile ngcono. They fought ukuthi uKatlego abe equal nomlungu. They fought ukuthi uKatlego understand democracy and benefit out of democracy. But we still suffering. That is why that is why mina ngibona ukuthi i-16th kaJune is more important.
Yeah.
Because that's when I'm trying to say as youth and the unemployed residents laseGauteng ake nisukumeni. Ake sibeke lezi every day is complain asenzeni. Ake sisukumeni silwele part of what our forefathers fought for, which is employment. Because if awusebenzi uzophila kanjani?
Uzophila kabuhlungu. So bafethi umamzo hayi uyibekile indaba yakhe bafethi njengoba nitshela ukuthi nge-16 zaka June wenze sure ukuthi uba khona uprint i-CV yakho wenza amakhophi yakho if awukwazi ukwenza i-CV kune AI ungena khona izokufundisa i-CV izokufundisa yonke into. So mamzo, maybe your last words, because I feel like so bathile bachikile if abachika angisazi
and ngisazobachika na ku social media sukumane. Nobody will do it for you, please. The campaign sibiza i-G20. We are G20-lizing, bantwana bam. No retreat, no surrender. We G20-lizing.
G20-lizing.
So good morning. Hey, 16th June Sitibane Tibet Park. We are trying to get ama sponsors for food, water, even the transport. Labo bakhathalele this unemployment ukuthi mayehle. Bazosdonatela sifuna nama volunteers. If uneskile sithize sukumisa isandla sizanika i-contact yethu or nizohlangana nathi ku social media ku inbox nikwazi ukusukumisa isandla ukuthi mama ngifuna ukuncedisa nge-16 because nami ngine youth eningi ofanele and nitshele nabanye. Spread the gospel. 16 June we're changing the course of the revolution ngokuthi siyodimanda ukuthi si-employwe ku G20 summit nale medium term framework.
Ne. So my sister has one question.
Yes, I wanted to say that for anyone who's interested in volunteering at the event, and I've just hit Mom's socials up. Just do Regina now across all platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Just DM her your number, and then we'll add it to WhatsApp group where we'll take it further.
Yes, and we'll be meeting as volunteers so that you understand ama skills wethu ngokuhlukana kwethu.
Ne.
Yeah, sukumani bafethu, we G20-lizing.
G20-lizing. Wow, shezi umamza ngathi akezwa. But then people say vale mina ngithanda say vale interesting ne.
Yes.
It's a G20-lizer.
Yes.
It's G20-lizing. It's moving.
It is.
Yeah, I think it's G20.
G20-lizing.
It's moving.
Yes.
So I have two people. Una question yana Nox since usekazi. Una question since usekazi. Umnandi ne. Wena since singaspani sonke. Wena awuna question. So athi sithathe sibuyisele emuva kancane yabona.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sikwazi kancane sizwile G20 lezi yabo. Sizwe Orlando bophila kanjani because senza rap up show manje sibadedelisa igazi bazwile bafethu kumele nenzeni and kumele kwenzakaleni.
Yes.
Bophila kanjani Orlando ayikabi mara bengicela ukubuza ukuthi ubaba wahlangana naye kanjani. Ngicela
Yes.
ukubuza.
Okay. Into kababa ngiyacela bandla sike sihloniphe kancane.
Okay.
Yes, because isasentsha recent.
Ne.
Yes, and ngiyabonga ukuthi uyiraisile because laphana ku social media there are people abangunderstand ukuthi why ngithi G20 hoha. Abanye bathi bathi hayi umbulele lo. Wayambona wayayenzani. Ithi ngintsheleni I have served my husband so well. I have served my husband to the last teeth. I've been with my husband through thick and thin. I'm sure this was the 27th or 28th year. Sishadile. Yeah? There is no time whereby sike sayekana yes bakhona like niyazi ama couple kwenze njani.
Yeah.
But okoko sibambene ubaba lento G20 icale I'm sure 2 weeks before shona.
Okay.
But ngishwagula he would wake up and ask me ihamba njani G20 bangaka abantu abasupportayo. He was very supportive. So nala khona I don't know kwenzakalani but if he were to look back he's very happy about what I'm doing.
Ne.
G20
license so life yase Orlando
Okay.
sicocele bese
Yeah.
sayirap up.
Okay.
RIP
Yes.
again.
Yeah, like bogu rough, yes, but it was also peaceful. Thina sikhule ngesikhathi sabo makabasa.
Begraph
Yazi.
manje bengekho peaceful. Ikabasa laba bamaphanga.
Yes, and
Shebe.
ngifunda ku girls school ebese opposite nasekhaya eMlamla Nkunzi.
Oh.
Yo, besisaba sihlala sizivalele endlini. Nje mina ngikhule ngibhene plus because ngithusa ilezo zinto lezo.
Yeah.
Yes, but ngakhula ke ngakwazi ukuzimela focus yaba ukuthi fanele ngizempower.
Ne.
Yes.
Ukhuluphuza nawe uhamba ubumnandi.
No, uphuza yes as a youth we are ngeke ungavoid. Utshwala yibo kuzokukhaba. But I was not an alcoholic. Fortunately, umzimba wami azange uzwane nabo ngiyabonga for that.
Ne. Mara bona bokhabulana.
Beka khona kadlula khona but ke.
Boshayana.
Yadlula.
Eh? Nokwaye. Izinja ziyavundula. Ngithanda abafana nawe.
Hayibo.
Ukukhula. Mara ukukhula but then yazi why ngikhuluma ngokukhula because
Yes.
I want to know what made this burning fire. That's why I'm asking about your background. What made you to be this angry? Ubona ukuthi yazi ngiyajwayelwa la.
History country, man. If you can read history country and understand ukuthi our forefathers, our former leaders, the way balwela le change, le fane ngaba siyayibona manje because asikakayiboni kahle. That's why unemployment is high. Kuzwisa ukuhlungu mfana. And emawazi behind closed doors ukuthi kwenzakalani. Even though ngana amakhathi wonke, but wazi ukuthi umthetho khona kuprogresseki, i-country ayidevelopeki as fast as it's supposed to be because khona abantu abacabanga ukuthi ama-resources ka-government wabo.
Yeah.
Angicela sisukumeni siwalwele bafethu.
Ne.
Please, ngiyacela.
Hayi thina bafethu wonke umuntu la eromini uyazi. Ngi16
Please.
siyatholakala lapha yana uze ne-CV. Mina size ne-CV nama-document we-podcast sifuna funding.
Company
Yeah, ukuthi nawe mama uzolokele uza njalo. Yabo so seke platform yakho nawe.
Yes.
Uze njalo nje uzothela induku nje.
There's a build up towards 16 foot.
Yeah, uyabona mamzo wami. So mina ngegama bafethu nguKatlego Ntariana Mula aka uMr Soweto Kafela Mtsiba aka Mr Cool himself. Thanks for watching. Ikasi elivukile bafethu mamzo nanga uzile. Uzovusa ikasi and Katlego means success ukutshela. So don't forget to like and subscribe bafethu. Leave your comment if you need any clarifications or in terms of ubathola kanjani sebashilo. If you have difficulties, hit me up. I'll give you the numbers. Then we take it from there. So any last words to the people out there? Sivaleke bese siyabahambela kisothi triple.
Yeah, mina there's nothing much chance. Manganibona nje Jubeth Park nisukumile. nama-company profile njengabo Katlego kanje khona bo-NYDA faneke banifande
Mm.
but aniyitholi lo funding
Mm.
and angeke niyithola until nisukuma. Sukumani, stand up for your lives and take matters of your country and your province into your hands.
Ne.
We keep evangelizing.
G20 license
Yes.
so bafini ngajikela umamzo the way njikela inhlanhla singakhona because umuntu omnyama uthi amlwela
Hey.
athi amroba.
Yes.
That's why saba kunilwela sometimes. So mamzo
Siyabonga.
asibabona kada.
Ejada so.
Peace out people.
Oy, thank you.
Thank you mamzo.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yami ngak 40 minutes.
Yababona banomona ngoba uguluvu uyanona. Yebo Cleveland sazogcwala ngalesitala samampela singakopwanga. Yithi sikhuphula amanamba yabafana thatha